Much better start to the game today compared to last week. Was that the reaction you were looking for?
Yeah, I think obviously reflection from last week was to start better and to make sure that our tempo was right with them without the ball, and I felt we did. But we created a lot, and we got the lead quite early with a great goal from George. To be fair, so I was pleased with the start.
I think it's hard to keep that press up for 90 minutes, but they did that for you today.
Yeah, we have spoken about that at half time and before the game. Again, tempo without the ball was important. We didn't really get going at all last week, and this week, obviously playing a different team, and we set up a little bit differently to keep the ball. So it was important to keep that press throughout the whole game, and I felt we did, and felt we caught Ruthin a lot, and won the ball high, which allowed us to create more chances. So testament to them. To be fair, we're shouting at the side to go, but it's their energy, and I felt that everyone had that today.
That was Joe Palmer's first start since he come back. He did good there for them.
Yeah, no, very calm.
Yeah,
I expected him to be a bit more tired than he was, but he looked really fresh. To be fair, and he's calm on the ball, and the selection of the pass was key tonight, and to get a goal as well showed how much we have missed him, and he's a great addition as we go into the winter period. So to have him around the dressing room and on the pitch now is fantastic for us, and something that will hopefully drive us on.
We had obviously Keegan suspended tonight, and Sam Fenney stepped in there, had a brilliant game.
Yeah, I totally agree. I think that every decision that he made or had to make was the right one. He's sat on the bench for a long time for us, and watched Keegan and learnt from Keegan in training as well. But it's very different when you go out there and you're it, so to speak. Yeah. So for him to start and to like I say, make the right decision for every single kick. When he came, he was decisive. There was a couple of tackles as well with his feet in the first half that were the right choice to make. So I've just challenged him in there to be a bit more vocal.
Yeah.
But he's still young and still learning. So that'll come. But to play at his age in that position, which is difficult in the league, is great for him, and hopefully something for him to build upon.
We've got Denby next week. Obviously, it's going to be another. Well, everything's a tough game now. So.
Yeah. I don't think there's any easy games this season with what's on offer. And we'll assess who's available and who's injured, and we'll train twice in the week and make sure that we set a plan for Denby. Who they're 5th or 6th in the league, so it's going to be a difficult game, but we have to be right and make sure we're prepared.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.